Hello students, we were doing chemical reactions of alcohol that we had completed. Now reactions of phenol. First is electrophilic aromatic substitution. Reactions of phenol. Electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reactions are given by aromatic compounds. 11th से आप पढ़ते आ रहे हो. Benzene give electrophilic substitution. Toluene gives. Last chapter chlorobenzene we had written electrophilic substitution reaction. What are electrophilic substitution reactions? Nitration, sulfonation, chlorination, bromination, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. So phenol also gives electrophilic substitution reaction. The first electrophilic substitution reaction of phenol is nitration. One more important thing, phenol OH group is ortho-para directing group. We had drawn in the last video resonating structures of phenol. In that resonating structures we can see that electron density is more at ortho and para position. So OH group is ortho-para directing group. Hence substitution will be taking place at ortho and para position. Clear? First is nitration of phenol. Nitration of phenol. It is nitrated with dilute HNO3 at low temperature. Two products obtained, ortho and para. See, phenol when treated with dilute nitric acid. Okay, at low temperature when it is treated. As I told you, OH group is ortho-para directing. So nitration takes place at ortho position plus para position. So two products obtained, ortho-nitrophenol, para-nitrophenol. This is called ortho-nitrophenol and this is known as para-nitrophenol. So when phenol undergo nitration at low temperature with dilute nitric acid, we have two products, ortho-nitro and para-nitrophenol. They can be easily separated because ortho-nitrophenol is steam volatile due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding. कैसे इन दोनों को separate करोगे? By distillation process. Because they have difference in the boiling point. Why they have difference in boiling point? In ortho-nitrophenol, this is ortho-nitrophenol. Here it is OH, NO2, N double bond O, and this is NO2. Just I had written with structural formula. That's it. ये भी ortho, ये भी ortho-nitrophenol है. यहाँ पे होता है हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. क्या बोलते हैं इस हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड को? इंट्रामोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. इंट्रामोलिकुलर H bond. While in para-nitrophenol, this is para-nitrophenol. OH, here NO2. Second molecule of para-nitrophenol, NO2, here it is OH. They are joined by intermolecular hydrogen bond. So in para-nitrophenol, there is intermolecular hydrogen bond. While in ortho-nitrophenol, it is intramolecular hydrogen bond. Due to intramolecular hydrogen bond, intermolecular attraction will be less. Due to intermolecular hydrogen bond, intermolecular attraction more. In para, intermolecular attraction more, so vapors form will be less and its boiling point is less. While due to weak attraction, due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, intermolecular attraction is weak. So its boiling point is less, means it is more steam volatile. So there is difference in the boiling points of two liquids. Hence they can be separated by steam distillation method. So how can we separate ortho and para nitrophenols? By steam distillation method, because they have different intermolecular attraction forces. Now, if we take concentrated HNO3, it is with dilute HNO3. If we use concentrated HNO3, then what will happen? With concentrated HNO3, phenol when treated with concentrated HNO3 at all three places, all ortho para position will be occupied by NO2 group, and we have 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. What we have? 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. This is called picric acid. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, and this is also known as picric acid. The organic acid which won't have carboxyl group, that is called picric acid. Clear? So concentrated HNO3 more activated. So at all three positions substitution takes place. With dilute HNO3, ortho and para isomers are obtained. He is telling that picric acid is also prepared first with treating phenol with concentrated sulfuric acid, which convert it to phenol 2,4-disulfonic acid, and then with concentrated nitric acid to give 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. क्या बोल रहा है ये? पहले कैसे बनाते हैं? मतलब पिक्रिक एसिड को बनाने का दूसरा मेथड बता रहा है. फर्स्ट वी हैव फिनॉल. ओके, फिनॉल इज ट्रीटेड विद कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. मतलब सल्फोनेशन कर रहे हैं इसका. क्या कर रहे हैं? सल्फोनेशन. एंड with sulfonation it form 2,4-disulfonic acid. Phenol 2,4-disulfonic acid. This is phenol 2,4-disulfonic acid means SO3H and SO3H. This is called phenol 2,4-disulfonic acid. By double substitution, double sulfonation, we have this. Clear? After that, it is treated with concentrated HNO3, so that we have picric acid. So it can also be, picric acid can also be prepared first by sulfonation, and after that treated it with concentrated HNO3. Okay, but in exams first equation is important. So first reaction we had done, and that is nitration of phenol. Now second, halogenation. Bromination especially we will do. Bromination of phenol. Second electrophilic substitution, bromination of phenol. Two types of bromination reactions are there. First is when phenol is treated with bromine dissolved in chloroform or CS2, non-polar solvents, when bromine is dissolved either in chloroform or in CS2 at low temperature, what will happen? Br will substitute at ortho and para position, orthobromophenol, para-bromophenol form, and out of ortho and para, the major product will be para, because in para steric hindrance is less. If OH and Br is at a nearby position, both are bulky group, there will be crowding, so instability will be there. So major product is para-bromophenol, and at two places Br electrophile will get substituted when at low temperature it is taking place at that time. Why it is so? What is the reason? So he is telling that phenol when treated with CS2, like bromine in presence of CS2, then CS2 is non-polar solvent. So in non-polar solvent, ring will not activated much more. So substitution takes place at ortho or para position. But when this phenol is treated with bromine water, not CS2, bromine dissolved in water. Then water is polar solvent, so it will activate this ring. What it will do? It will dissociate this, break this OH bond, form phenoxide ion, and phenoxide ion have resonating structure. Electron density will move in benzene, so benzene ring will become more activated. So when we use bromine water makes ring more activated towards electrophilic substitution. So substitution takes place at all the three places. And what is the product obtained? 2,4,6 tribromophenol. 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Its name is 2,4,6 tribromophenol. White PPT of 2,4,6 tribromophenol obtained. So when we use non-polar solvent, CS2 or chloroform, ring will become less activated, but with bromine water, ring become more activated. So at all the three positions, substitution takes place. Clear? Now there are few questions. What are the structures of major product expected from the following reactions? He is telling that mononitration of 3-methylphenol. Question number 11.5. Example is there. Mononitration of 3-phenylphenol. 3-methylphenol. આ છે 3-methylphenol. એ કહે છે કે આનું મોનોનાઇટ્રેશન કરીએ એટલે એકવાર HNO3 થી એને કમ્બાઈન કરીએ તો કયું પ્રોડક્ટ ફોર્મ થાય? એનું આપણે નાઇટ્રેશન કરશું એકવાર એટલે ડાયલ્યુટ HNO3 લેવું પડે. હવે OH ગ્રુપ છે એ ઓર્થોપેરા ડિરેક્ટિંગ, મિથાઇલ બી ઓર્થોપેરા ડિરેક્ટિંગ છે, તો કાં તો આ પોઝિશન ઉપર આવે, આનું ઓર્થો થાય ને આનું ઓર્થો થાય, કાં પછી આ પોઝિશન ઉપર આવે NO2, આનું ઓર્થો થાય ને આનું પેરા થાય, તો કોઈ દી બે ગ્રુપની વચ્ચે નો આવે, સ્ટેરિક હિન્ડરન્સ થાય, એટલે આ પોઝિશન પરફેક્ટ છે. એટલે પ્રોડક્ટ શું ફોર્મ થશે? અહીંયા NO2 આવી જશે, મિથાઇલ ઓલરેડી છે જ, અને અહીંયા OH આવી જશે. નામ થઈ જશે 3-methyl-4-nitrophenol. Okay. Second is telling dinitration of 3-methylphenol. આ છે 3-methylphenol. એનું બે વાર નાઇટ્રેશન કરીએ તો શું થાય? આ 3-methylphenol. For dinitration, what is the product obtained for dinitration of 3-methylphenol? इसमें एक और प्रोडक्ट की पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है, इसके ऑर्थो पे और इसके पैरा पे. So one more product can be formed. This one, methyl. Here NO2 and here OH. बीच में नहीं आना चाहिए, बाकी इस और इस पैरा पोजीशन पे प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म हो सकता है. Now, dinitration for this 3-methylphenol. What are the two places at which dinitration takes place? Double nitration. This place is already occupied by OH. This is by methyl. इसका ऑर्थो, इसका पैरा NO2, आनु पैरा, आनु ऑर्थो, એટલે NO2. So two position, this will be the product. Last, mononitration of phenyl methanoate. Phenyl methanoate will be OCOCH. Sorry, phenyl. It should be phenyl ethanoate, not methanoate. Correction कर देना. It is phenyl ethanoate. If its nitration takes place, only at one place NO2 will attach, and that is para, not ortho, because बल्कि ग्रुप सो ऑर्थो पे डालोगे तो स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस होगा, इसलिए कौन सी प्लेस प्रॉपर है? उसके पैरा पे. सो पैरा नाइट्रोफिनाइल एसिटेट विल बी obtained. Clear? Now next electrophilic substitution reaction, and that is Kolbe's reaction. Important है Kolbe's, Reimer-Tiemann, है ना? Many time it was asked and पूछी जाती है हमेशा. So next is third, Kolbe's reaction. What is Kolbe's reaction? It is electrophilic substitution reaction. Here carbon dioxide is a weak nucleophile. कौन है इसमें nucleophile? Carbon dioxide. See कैसे होती reaction? Phenol when treated with, first it is treated with NaOH. क्या प्रोडक्ट बनेगा? सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड. सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड. Okay, IPH, OH remove થઈ જશે. Water bar, sodium phenoxide will be formed. Simple neutralization. After that, when it is treated with CO2, followed by acidification, the CO2 is electrophile. What is the product obtained? It is salicylic acid. OH, COOH. क्या नाम है इसका? Salicylic acid. Also called orthohydroxy benzoic acid. Orthohydroxy benzoic acid. So how will you convert phenol to salicylic acid? First, phenol gives sodium phenoxide, which undergo electrophilic substitution reaction to gives salicylic acid, that is called orthohydroxy benzoic acid. Next reaction is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Electrophilic substitution we are doing. Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Fifth one or fourth one. Third. Reimer-Tiemann, साइंटिस्ट का नाम है, reaction. What is this reaction? Here in this reaction also electrophilic substitution takes place, and in this the electrophile is dichlorocarbene. Okay, what is the reaction? See, phenol when treated with chloroform and NaOH, CHCl3, aqueous NaOH. What's the product obtained? Aqueous NaOH react with this to form sodium phenoxide. Water will be byproduct, and that CHCl3 will attach here as CHCl2. Clear? Intermediate is formed. What are the byproducts? See, this Na attach here, H and OH. Water will be formed. यहाँ पे एक H होता है, वो H is Cl से remove हुआ, HCl byproduct. Intermediate is formed. This is called intermediate. Now when this intermediate combines with NaOH, sodium hydroxide, what will happen? Hydrolysis takes place. These two OH get replaced by, two Cl get replaced by two OH, and the product obtained is ONA and CHO. How this CHO comes? અહીંયા જે બે ક્લોરો છે ને, ONA છે જ ઉપર, આ બેનું હાઇડ્રોલિસિસ થશે એટલે બે OH આવે. હવે એક કાર્બન ઉપર બે OH હોય, અનસ્ટેબલ હોય, એટલે અહીંથી વોટર મોલિક્યુલ બહાર નીકળી જશે. શું બની જશે? CHO. NaOH combines with this intermediate and form that product, which on acidification gives salicyldehyde. This on acidification give salicyldehyde. ऊपर OH, यहाँ पे CHO. क्या नाम है इसका? salicyldehyde. वो salicylic acid था, ये salicyldehyde बनेगा. 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. What is LPC name? 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. क्लियर? एक स्टेप में भी लिखते हैं इस रिएक्शन को. कैसे लिखते हैं? सी, दिस इज फिनॉल treated with CHCl3 and 3NaOH. What's the product obtained? Salicyldehyde. So one step also the reaction can be written like this. What is electrophile in this? Dichlorocarbene. This is the electrophile, and it is formed by treating chloroform and NaOH. All are electrophilic substitution reaction. Next is Reaction of phenol with zinc dust. This you had done in 11th standard. Preparation of benzene Mautu. Reaction of phenol with zinc dust. Reaction of phenol with zinc dust. बहुत अच्छी रिएक्शन है, इंपॉर्टेंट है और सिंपल है. रिडक्शन एक टाइप का. फिनॉल व्हेन हीटेड विथ जिंक डस्ट, बेंजीन इज obtained. जिंक ऑक्साइड निकल जाएगा. Oxygen removed, so it is called reduction. So phenol give benzene directly attached to OH group. Ring directly attached to OH will be removed and the product obtained is benzene. Now the last reaction of phenol is oxidation reaction. Last is oxidation. That is also very important. In MCQ they will ask. Phenol when undergo oxidation, when it undergo oxidation with acidified sodium dichromate, Na2Cr2O7 and H2SO4, oxidation of phenol gives hydroquinone, benzoquinone. So बने benzoquinone. इसका नाम है benzoquinone. क्या बोलेंगे इसको IUPAC में? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It's cyclohex. 2,5-diene and 1,4-dione. Benzoquinone will be obtained. Phenol oxidation gives benzoquinone and it turns to dark color. पहले इतना डार्क नहीं होता है, लेकिन जब ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाता है तो एकदम डार्क कलर कंपाउंड फॉर्म होता है. These are very important reactions of phenol. Anyone will be asked in your board exam. Confirm it. Reimer-Tiemann or Kolbe or nitration or bromination, whatever be, all reactions are very, very important. Now one or two questions we will do. First is, predict the major product of acid catalyzed dehydration. 11.7 we are doing. 11.6 first we'll do, then 11.7. Both I'll show you how to solve. Okay. First 11.6. Give structure of the product you obtained when each alcohol treated with HCl zinc chloride, HBr and SOCl2. Butane 1-ol. This is butane 1-ol. He is telling when it is treated with HCl zinc chloride, what will happen? When it is treated with HBr, what will happen? When it is treated with SOCl2, what will happen? All our substitution reactions we had done. OH get replaced by Cl, Br and Cl. So product obtained will be CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and Cl plus water. Second case, 1-bromobutane will be obtained. CH2, Br. Third case, again, chloro will be obtained. 1-chlorobutane. Byproduct will be SO2 and H2O. Clear? Second is telling 2-methylbutane 2-ol साथे बताओ. 2-methylbutane 2-ol. This is 2-methylbutane 2-ol, tertiary. So when it is treated with HCl and zinc chloride, when it is treated with HBr, when it is treated with SOCl2, same reaction takes place. OH get replaced by halogens. So product will be, it's 2-methyl, here chloro will come, here bromo will come, because we are taking HBr, and at last chloro will come. With SOCl2, chloro product is okay. What are the byproducts? इन दोनों में water आएगा, last में SO2 and water, and as they are volatile, pure compound will be obtained. Simply substitution reaction. OH get replaced by halogen. Next कह रहा है predict the major product of acid catalyzed dehydration. 1-methyl cyclohexane 1-ol. Acid catalyzed dehydration. पढ़ा था dehydration. 1-methyl cyclohexanol 11.7. Cyclohexanol, sorry. 1-methyl, here OH. Acid catalyzed dehydration मतलब H2SO4 के साथ. What happened when it is dehydrated? Alkene is produced. Which alkene? Stable alkene એટલે double bonds. 1-methyl cyclohexene. And second he is telling butane 1-ol. This is butane 1-ol. When it is dehydrated with acid, dehydration takes place, butanene will be formed. Butanene or butene? First, OH will be removed, carbocation form, CH2, CH2, CH2 plus. I told you, carbocation rearranges. This is primary carbocation. What will happen? Shift to secondary carbocation. More stable. અહીંયા આવશે positive charge. Two-degree carbocation form. More stable. Now elimination of proton takes place. Butene is the main product. So main product will be butene. Clear? This is question number 11.7. 8 and 9 we had already discussed. These are chemical reactions of phenol, and the next compound will talk about some important chemicals, methanol and ethanol. After that it is ether. Again I am telling you, practice chemical reactions well, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to understand upcoming chapters. Write and learn and understand chemical reactions of organic chemistry. Once you will understand it, it is very easy, but it will take time to understand the chemical reactions. So give some time. Don't go fast. Clear? Watch the videos again and again. Write down the reactions by yourself. When you write one equation at least 5 to 6 times, then you will understand what is going on. If you are not aware with organic chemistry, then otherwise, once you got it, what is actually the bond breaks and the new bonds are formed, it will be very easy for you to understand. So students, please keep on practicing organic chemistry. Okay, bye.